Hi there, welcome to Wild Goose Adventures. David here, and great to have you along for the ride. Since my toe had a bit of trouble last year, it seems that I might be a bit susceptible to infections, and indeed I have another infection courtesy of a lot of hours just before Christmas with the beautiful nor'easters, and a little scratch on my toe has gone a bit ugly, and so the doctor has asked me not to be in the water for a little while. So there's no board in the car, there's a sail. I can go and do a little bit of winging with the skateboard, which I've been really enjoying, but I thought it might be time for me to get the drone out and go and capture some images of the gurus, the people who are just out there winging every day, learning, trying to be better and sharing their experiences. So let's head down to Golden Beach, take the drone and see what we can come up with. Well, that certainly was a lot of fun, wasn't it? Great to watch these people doing their very best and improving out of sight, and my privilege to be part of that group. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the soundtrack that came with it. Another fantastic musician from the Sunshine Coast, Angela Easton, and thanks to Pacific Music and Rob for providing the music. That's it for this adventure. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, please consider subscribing and seeing more. That'd be totally awesome. And so until next time, smooth sailing.